Good morning from a sunny morning here in Aberystwyth, West Wales. I'm Greg, owner of a small startup here. I started to work with the AGM agency because I was following the free educational material that Manuel was so freely distributing. And I got hooked, and I realized the importance of AI, but I also realized I didn't have time to do it myself. So thankfully I got in touch with AGM, got on a program, and now 2 months ahead I'm up 100% on sales. And I've been working with Jonald Jamora, who's been very communicative, very nice to work with, responsive, fast, and also very proactive. So I can absolutely recommend AGM agency and the team. Bye now from Aberystwyth.